24 species in genus Browallia. My love affair with Browallia. The first time I saw a Browallia, I was captivated. It was a vibrant blue, a shade so intense it almost seemed to hum with life. Nestled amongst the greenery, it was like a tiny piece of the sky had fallen to earth. I had to learn more. That day sparked a fascination that has only grown stronger over time. Now, allow me, Ferb, to introduce you to the captivating world of Browallia, a diverse genus. Browallia, a delightful genus belonging to the Solanaceae family, is a treasure trove of captivating beauty. While often overlooked, these plants, native to the tropical regions of the Americas, offer a unique charm with their vibrant flowers and lush foliage. They come in a variety of forms, from annuals and perennials to the occasional shrub. But what truly unites them is their captivating presence. Here are some of the notable species that make up this wonderful genus. Browallia americana. Often referred to as the Jamaican forget-me-not, this species is a popular choice for its abundant blue flowers. Browallia speciosa. Known for its larger, showier blooms, this species often boasts a deeper, more intense blue. Browallia illudens. This unique species stands out with its yellow flowers, a rare sight in a genus dominated by blues and purples. Browallia abbreviata. This species is characterized by its shorter stature and more compact growth habit. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While their beauty is undeniable, Browallia offer more than just aesthetics. They are relatively low-maintenance plants, making them a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. They thrive in a variety of conditions, from full sun to partial shade, and are relatively drought-tolerant once established. Beyond their ease of care, Browallia play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Their vibrant flowers act as beacons, attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. This not only helps the plants themselves, but also contributes to the overall health and biodiversity of the surrounding environment. My personal connection. My own journey with Browallia has been one of continuous learning and discovery. I've experimented with different species, exploring their unique characteristics and growth habits. I've learned about their preferred conditions, their vulnerabilities, and their strengths. One of my most rewarding experiences has been successfully propagating Browallia from seed. Witnessing the tiny seedlings emerge and gradually develop into mature, flowering plants has been a source of immense satisfaction. It's a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature, and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Looking ahead, as I continue my exploration of Browallia, I'm excited to see what the future holds. With new species being discovered and cultivation techniques evolving, there's always something new to learn. I believe that Browallia, with their captivating beauty and ecological importance, deserve a more prominent place in our gardens and our hearts.